Okay, so we're tracking here. See, a little like when I was talking to Tony Robbins in Palm Desert at lunch, and we were talking about blah blah blah, and he has his stories, and he tells his stories, and these guys do that. And he was explaining how I won't go into all of it stuff like that, but I'll get to the point. Okay, just the point. And it's like, okay, one thing they would do is separate out the fluff from the reality. See, so he would take, like, for example, the one he was doing was expert marksman with a pistol. And, he challenged the army to, it says, look, what's your worst results in your army? What's your activity that you produce the worst results? And they said pistol shooting. And he says, okay, I will at least double their ability to shoot a pistol, and you'll pay me a chunk of money. Okay? If I fail, you pay me nothing. See, so the army said, yeah, okay, and then they bring it. So, okay, here's our manual. He goes, okay, thanks. He says, I don't need that. You already don't produce the results. Okay, I don't care about your manual. He says, what I want is your best marksman. Bring me your best marksman. So they did, some sergeant from Italy and somebody, who are the best guys with pistol. And he says, okay, now shoot. So he got in the area where targets and like that. And says, okay, now show me, shoot. And one of the guys says, well, you shoot first. And he says, well, why? I don't know how to shoot a pistol. He says, well, if we're going to learn from you. No, it has nothing to do with that. He says, okay, here, give me the gun. Bam, 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 bam. So, okay, that's me. Now, now you shoot, okay? And so he watches them. He watched them. How do they stand? How do they move their body? What do they look? Do they go into trance? That's the thing. And then he asks them, okay, what do you think? What do you do here? What do you do there? What do you think here? How do you feel? Etc. And he just do this, right? And they would tell him, okay, all right, I see. So then he'd start getting in common. Then, okay, good. Now, stand this way and shoot. Okay, think this way and shoot. Feel this way and shoot. Look this way and shoot. In other words, he would change the things and say, okay, what is real and what isn't? See? So if you stand this way and you shoot, it works. You stand this other way and it shoots, it works. Stand's not the deal. See? Standing this way is not the big thing. If, on the other hand, you do worse, okay, maybe that's a point. See? And okay, and then what I do when I shoot is I believe in fairies, pulling the bullet. Okay, now don't believe in fairies, believe in, dogs shitting in the woods, whatever. So see if that makes a difference. Doesn't make a difference? Good, the fairies are out. You see what I'm saying? So he's taking out all the fluff, anything that, we think is part of it. Because, I like going back to American baseball, it's always, they have a tradition of superstition. See? It's like, this is my lucky ball cap, or this is my lucky action. You say, I always have to, tap the wood 3 times, and then take a piss, and then we'll win the game. It's like they got tons of that shit. I don't know. It's a thing in American baseball. I don't know why. Yeah. See, but is it true? Well, mentally and psychologically, maybe. See, it's like, oh no, you didn't tap 3 times. Oh no, I'm going to lose. I'm losing. So you lose. Like that kind of deal. Perhaps that's an issue, but otherwise, it has nothing to do with it, obviously. In any case, so you see what I'm saying? See, it's like people make conclusions about stuff or add things to it, and that's not what your ability is. Your ability isn't in those extras. So like I said, like when I learned from others, I would try to be them as much as possible. Think the way they think, see the world the way they see the world, move the way they move, etc. See, how is it? What are they doing? What's their experience? And that really works, by the way. See, because their experience is good. I mean, I wouldn't study with somebody if they weren't good. Okay, see, they're the masters, so-called. See, they do it. See, so if I experience what they experience, I can do it. You understand? That's the way that goes. People don't quite get that. See, but now, and so I do it wholesale, but maybe they drool or something, right? Okay, so I'll drool. Drool. You do drool? Okay, see, Why? Because I don't know what's useful, what works, what doesn't. Maybe drooling, I don't know, slicks the wheels I don't know, maybe it works. See? But then once I get good at it, I stop drooling, I'm still good at it, drooling is out. Unless I like drooling, See what I'm saying? Okay, that little quirk they have, okay, good, that's out. Not needed. Okay, that thought that's thinking, okay, that's out. Doesn't need it. See? You know what I'm saying? But not at first. At first, everything, wholesale. Because I don't know what to do, what not to do. And that's the way I would teach too, like my apprentices in the old days, in the Marshall. It's like, from time to time, I would teach them what I thought they needed to know and everything, and blah, blah. See? But at time to time, I would say, okay, now I'm going to tell you everything that goes on with me, because who the fuck knows? You know what I'm saying? Like when I do that, this thing here like that, I vibrate and I feel a certain kind of sensation, zoom like that, like a, whatever. I don't know. Everything turns bright. Is it necessary? I don't know. But I'm going to tell you about it anyway, just in case. You see? So, try it out. Of course, everything turning bright is a change of state, and they'd have to change the state for that to occur. But in any case, like that.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.